Hey everyone, Lee Goldstein, the Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades, and I want to welcome you to this week's Trade of the Week. It's a very interesting one, so let me show you what happened in the room and keep an eye on the right-hand chart for this trade. Please remember all trades we discuss are for educational purposes. You can lose money trading futures, so trade carefully. This week's Trade of the Week was the PPI report. Very interesting report. It's very high volatility. So NinjaTrader called a margin event. What is a margin event? The PPI report is very volatile normally, and it's also high volatility because it's an inflationary report. The evening before, the broker NinjaTrader raised their margins on gold and other instruments. So it means you have to have more money in your account to trade. And in the morning before the event, 10 minutes before, they raised the margins on all the volatile instruments, gold, the ES, S&P, mini S&P, yeah, we call it, the ES. And that gives you a heads up that this report's going to be extremely volatile. The last three reports, the ES and the NQ actually froze, sometimes making for a very unsafe trade. Sometimes you can make money too when a market freezes, um, because you can get filled before the freeze and it might move in the direction of your trade after it unfreezes. But because of all these warnings, we decided to trade micros on our trap trade, and I decided not to trade the ES. It turned out to be a very wise decision. ES on the left clearly froze, and our trap trade on micro gold, two contracts. We made over $140 in 5 seconds. I just exited the trade immediately. That's like making $1,000 on full size. That's what it's equivalent to. It was a perfect trap trade. Remember, a trap trade is a specialized reversal trade. So the market went one direction at first. It filled us. It went up. It filled us short. And then as it came back down, we made our profit. And trading micros, we made over $140 in just a couple of seconds. Quite a few people followed our advice in the trade room and made money. Okay, so I feel kind of smart this week. I said don't trade the full size ES, and the market did freeze again. Ironically, a few people did trade it and still made money because it moved only in one direction. But it was a very, very interesting trade of the week. Trading micros, making over $100 on the trade with just two contracts is quite good. And I'm going to call the PPI report this week's trade of the week because it was a little bit unusual. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you all in the trade room. Take care.